Hello kids, today we are going to draw fruits, a different kind of fruits with the help of different shapes and lines. For that, please take it colors, pencil, eraser and your sketchbook. Now we are going to start different kind of fruits. One slanting line, one more slanting line, just like a bowl, one curve, one shallow curve, do not make it deep, come down, again go up and touch to the corner. Same thing here, one curve going outside, coming inside, coming outside and coming inside, just like a wave line. One curve for making a stem. This is our stem. This is our apple is ready. Now we are going to pineapple. One curve line, one normal curve line, one more normal curve line, one curve line connecting towards both the curve, one slipping line, one slanting line, one slanting line, one zigzag line, one more slanting line, one more slanting line, few zigzag line on it, one slanting line, few zigzag line on it, one slanting line, equal slanting lines going towards downside, one more slanting line, one more slanting line, one more slanting line crossing to the first slanting lines. I am crossing the lines with the help of slanting line, few dots in the diamond shapes for the texture of a pineapple. Here your pineapple is ready. Now one curve, deep curve, one more deep curve touching to the first point to end point, and one slipping line from the first deep curve edge to the second deep curve edge, few seeds inside. Now it's our slice of watermelon. Here our fruits are ready. Fruits are good for our health. Now we are going to do color. We are going to take it red first for filling the color in apple. Take the border first. Cover the border first. I am covering the wave line of the apple, which is been located at the top view. Now I am going towards slanting. One curve line at the downside. I covered my portion of the apple. Now I am going to fill color in a standing mode. Do it in a little portion so you can make it clear. Do not take it fully. Do it slowly. Here my apple is ready. Now I am going towards pineapple. A lower part of pineapple is found in light brown color. First of all, a U shape. Cover the U shape. One slipping line. Fill inside in a standing mode. Now take it light green color. For a top part which is being found as a grassy part. Color it in a standing mode. Same thing on the upside. Same thing on the last grassy look. Our pineapple is ready. Now again light green color for the skin of the watermelon, which has been found at the outer level and a downside level. Do it politely because space is very small. Take it red. First do border. Do it in slipping line. Do it in deep curve. Do it slowly. It got a small portion. Fill it in a slipping motion. Here our watermelon slice is ready. And our fruits are also ready. Kids, it's very easy to draw with lines and shapes, and even also you can project it in your science book as well as in projects. You can make it your own scrapbook, fruit scrapbook. Thank you. Enjoy the drawing.